Hi guys and welcome back. We're Courts Meeks and for the last year we've been living in our self-built orange Sprinter van named DeeDee.
Despite 2020 being that year that no one will forget, thanks COVID, we managed to explore some amazing places in Europe. Spain, Portugal, Gibraltar, France, Italy, Slovenia, Austria, Czech Republic, southern Germany, back into Italy and France before returning to the UK.
Now we're on a mission to rip out, rebuild and reduce weight in our tiny home on wheels as we prepare for the adventures ahead.
Oh, and if you hadn't noticed, we're a tad obsessed with orange. Don't forget to share the love and subscribe. It's free and it's the easiest way to support our channel. And in this episode we're working on laying our vinyl floor. But as always, it doesn't quite go to plan. Hi guys!
Welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel. It is now time to lay the floor. Yes. We finished the bed in the last video.
Correct.
And yeah, now we're on to laying our vinyl flooring. So let's head out to the van and show you what we're working with out there, because it's out there.
Yeah, let's get the floor.
Okay. So what you got there, James?
Oh, I have our new floor.
Ooh.
Do you want to sneak peek it?
Sneak peek.
Ooh.
Can you see that? Oh yeah.
So this is our new floor and we've decided to lay it now where there's nothing in the van because it's pretty lightweight and it'll be a lot easier to lay one big piece of vinyl when there's not that much in there, because once all the furniture's in, there'll be a lot of corners to cut and things to get it round and it wouldn't fit perfect, so we thought let's just get it in now while it's pretty much a sort of rectangle. And also we're changing this time from stick-on vinyl, what are they called? Planks, thank you, to a one continuous piece, because last time, like when the sun was shining on this bit here, they would all warp up and the glue would like come off.
Yeah, and they would slightly move, so then you would get little gaps in between each
and then
one.
all the gravel,
sand and stuff,
sally dirt would just like fill up in those gaps. So we're hoping that this is going to be easier to clean.
And also easier to take out and relay again in the future if we need to. Maybe.
Let's hope we don't have to do that though.
Let's hope not.
Right, what's first?
Measure.
Measure.
Nice.
Is it a round number?
78.
What?
It is.
Wait. We created something that's
a round number, yeah.
That one would be
76.
What?
78 by, and also remember this is going to have a corner edge on it as well, so like, you'll never see that join.
That was just a guess, that wasn't it? That line. Okay, are you going to
78 by 76, so this is our
You're going to draw it, are you?
You know me, I've got to have a visual.
Did you do A-level art?
Yeah, I did actually. Yeah, I did.
No pressure.
78 by 76.
Yeah.
Oh, but then it goes out. Boo boo. Start again.
Was that A-level art? Was it?
Okay, my drawing to scale is maybe not great. So, like this then. 78. 76, then it goes out.
Yeah, maybe we'll pick this up once we've got the outline done, shall we? Yeah.
Like, it is so cold in here. It's like -4 degrees today. And where we've had this vinyl on the floor outside, ice has started forming on the bottom of it. Like, it is ridiculous. James is just going to get a towel to try and dry it off so that we can, sawdust. Wipe it down and then try and cut it to the actual size. So, wish us luck. We messed it up.
So I followed a video on YouTube for laying vinyl floor.
From B&Q?
From B&Q, yeah. But where I think we went wrong is that was for pretty much a square room. And we've done it for, we've got probably about 7 or 8 different jutty bits.
Yeah.
And the video advises you to leave 7.5 centimetres around each bit, so then you can put it in and then you can cut the little bits off and it'll look really nice.
Push it into the grooves.
Which makes sense, but because of all the weird shapes that we have, it made that ours just be really out of proportion.
Well, also, I don't know how they get it so that then they get like, they fold it up where you've got the excess and then push it in and put your knife across. When we're doing that, we're ending up with like 2 centimetre gaps.
I think ours is really thick as well.
Yeah, like maybe our vinyl, because it's cushioned vinyl, then you're left with a curve when you fold it up, so then when you cut, you're not getting the perfect line. I don't know.
Anyway. We got sent an extra one of these in error because
we complained that the delivery had been taking too long, and they were like, oh no, maybe the courier's lost it, so they sent another one. So we had 2 delivered within the space of 24 hours.
So luckily, praise the Lord,
we've got another roll.
Yeah. So tomorrow we're going to pull this up and then we're going to recheck our measurements and cut it to size.
Yeah, and ignore that tutorial with where you put the extra in. And
then put it in.
And just hope that then it fits okay. Because also the only bits that are going to be seen are on this wall over here, where underneath the table will be. This bit here, which goes against the bed wall, and the bit that goes up against the shower wall. Everything else will either have a kitchen unit, a pantry, a seat, or corner edging that goes around the steps. So those are the only bits that really we need to look good. The rest of it can be as jaggedy as it wants.
Yeah. So it's 4 o'clock.
It's nearly getting dark.
It's freezing.
Yeah. The ice that melted earlier has started to refreeze on the floor outside.
It froze on this one we're cutting, didn't it?
Little stalactites coming off of it. So
let's go have a cuppa.
And we're going to re-tackle it tomorrow.
See you in the morning. Take 2 of laying the floor. It's the next day and it's warmer today, although it's very, very, very slippy because as it's melted it's kind of then froze again. The gritters are out. I mean, can you call it gritting? Okay, on with the floor.
And here we have it, our new shape. I don't know if you can see it very well. This is the shower. And it steps around our plumbing area, along, that's the wheel box at the back, along the bed wall, around the other arch, down, and around the step. Let's cut it out and see if it fits this time.
Ready?
Okay, moment of truth.
Oh, don't stand on it.
There's a lot here. Okay. That's our piece. That's our piece.
So now that the floor is down, we need to make sure it stays down. To do so, we're going to use this.
No nonsense, spray contact adhesive.
And today's like the only day we could have done it because it only works above 5 degrees. And this, which is double-sided sticky tape. What we're going to do is around the edges we're going to spray this and then stick this down on one side on the floor so you get a really good contact on treated wood. And then once that's done, we'll then lift this side of the sticky tape off and we'll stick the floor down.
Wonderful. Sounds easy. And there we have it. It fits. So the most important bits are that we have a lush line that meets with the bed. Then this will be covered, so we've had to shimmy some off of there, but that'll all be covered by units. Then this also matches up nicely, but to be honest we're probably going to put some sort of skirting around both of these anyway, just to make them look super profesh, similarly like we will here. We'll have like corner edging and stuff. Then the only other bit that will be on view will be here where there's currently loads of wires running. Those will be encased in the skirting and that bit will be underneath the table, so that'll be visible. And then we have this which wraps around lovely around the step, and again this will all have proper like corner edging on it, and we might use some scrap to finish this bit off like we did last time. But I'm absolutely chuffed that it actually worked this time.
First time. Well, yeah, first time the second time.
That's it.
Woohoo!
The floor is in and it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Only took us 2 attempts as well, so that's pretty good.
Yeah. Thanks to the flooring company for sending us 2 by accident. Very much needed that.
Yeah, we did. That was a happy accident.
Yeah. So we'll leave you there. Make sure to come back next week when
we're working on building our seats and yeah, like our new diner / office space.
Oh yeah.
Which is going to be really exciting.
I hope that doesn't make it sound posher than it is.
No. It's posh.
It is posh.
It is posh.
Anyway.
See you next time.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.